Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. Here I would like to explain about the nature of teaching and learning based on my own experience as a teacher of young children. Through this presentation, I will share my journey, starting from my experience, the challenges I faced, and the process I went through, and how I finally developed into a more confident teacher. So let's begin with the definition of teaching and learning. Okay, the first slide is teaching and learning is a process where a teacher helps students understanding something. And then is it not only about explaining reasons, but also about building and supporting students. Teacher also needs to make students feel comfortable and confident in the class. When students feel happy, they can learn better. Teaching and learning is a two-way process. It means the teacher teaches, but also learns from the student. In my experience, I learned that teaching is not only about student learning, but also about how I improve myself as a teacher. So, the second slide is at the beginning, I started teaching young children because I really like kids. I enjoy their energy and their word. But my first experience not easy, right? I felt shy and not confident. Sometimes I doubted myself and thought if I could teach well or not. I was also afraid the students would not listen to me. These feelings made me nervous. So when I thought, but even so, I kept trying and did not give up. So the process, I learned how to understand children better, and I also use fun methods like games and songs so they would enjoy learning. At the same time, I practice speaking more confidently. At first, it was difficult, but slowly I got used it. From this experience, I really that teaching is also a learning process for me. I was not only teaching but also learning. Okay, this slide, what I learned. Okay, from this experience, I learned many things. First, teaching needs patience, so very. Second, confidence comes slowly with practice. Third, every child is different, okay? So we need to understand them. After about 2 years, yes, I can see my improvement. Now I feel more confident when I teach. I can manage the class better and I'm not afraid anymore. Now I feel happy and excited when I teach. Okay, the conclusion here. Now I feel that I have grown into a better teacher. Even though I start with fear and doubt, the process helped me to improve a lot. I learned that becoming a good teacher takes time, effort, and continuous practice. Every challenge that I faced in the beginning actually helped me become stronger and more confident. Teaching young children is not easy, really, not easy, but it's very meaningful. It gives me happiness and also valuable experience. So, in conclusion, teaching is not only about helping students learn, right? But also about how we can grow and develop ourselves as a teacher. Thank you guys for watching my presentation about the nature of teaching and learning. From this experience, I learned that teaching is not always easy, especially at the beginning, okay? There are many challenges like feeling shy, not confident, and doubting ourselves. But step by step, with practice and experience, we can improve and become better. Teaching is not only about helping students learn, okay, but also about how we can grow as a teacher. I'm really grateful for this experience because it helped me become more confident and patient. It also taught me how to understand students better. I hope my experience can give a simple idea about how teaching and learning is a really work in real life. Thank you very much for your attention. See you in next video. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye bye.